Today I want to show you how to use voice input on your Macintosh. It's built into your operating system, and so it's very easy to use, but you need to know a few things about using it. The first thing we're going to talk about is setting up your system. In my case, I have a headset. If you see this speaker up here and you click on this, you can see what's set up. And I'm going to come here to Sound Preferences to show you all that you need to know. Now, I have a Logitech USB headset and it's set to input, and I also want it set to output. Sometimes people will have a microphone on their computer that they're actually using, but since I have a headset, I had to make these changes. The next thing you do is come to System Preferences, and the input for the computer is considered the keyboard, so you click on that. It has several tabs, and on the far right it says Dictation. Set your dictation radio button onto on and tick Use Enhanced Dictation. Finally, at the bottom it says Shortcut. Now this will be changed according to your preferences. If you have a laptop, you might want to use your function key, but on my computer, I'm just going to use the command key. So those are the settings that you need to do. And to begin dictation, and I'm going to use Microsoft Word here, all you need to do is tap that key that you set up. And mine's the command key, so I press that twice and press it twice to turn it off. When I'm talking, comma, the computer is listening to me and typing out what I say, period. I had to press the command key again to turn off the dictation so I could talk. Now, if I want to replace the word computer or the word typing, all I have to do is say select computer or select typing. Let's see how that works. So I'm going to have to turn the dictation back on. Select computer, Macintosh computer, select typing, transcribing, and so that's how you make replacements. Now let's look at another command. Select Macintosh, Apple. Move to end of paragraph, new paragraph. There are a whole list of commands that you can find, but you have to know where to look for them. If you go back to your system preferences and then come down here to accessibility and click there, you will see there are a bunch of different system preferences for accessibility, and one that you want to change is dictation. Now in this case, I'm not changing anything, I'm just going to look at the dictation commands. And here they all are. They're different kinds. They're the type for making changes and selections, navigating in a document, and editing. You see it says undo, redo, cut that, paste that, and so forth. So let's try the capitalization. Select computer, capitalize computer. Undo that. Another command which we may like to do is to cut and paste. So if you have content from the web, and let's go to Wikipedia and type in George Washington. Here we go. And I select some of the content. Let's just take this paragraph right here and then Copy it. Back to my Word document. Turn on the voice command. New paragraph. Paste that. So you see there are a lot of different commands that you can use, and you might have to go through that list of commands to try them out. This dictation software will also work in other applications such as Gmail, Outlook, and other things where you can type in a field.